Another day of war in Ukraine was marked by anti-aircraft and anti-missile alerts. But last night was the first night recorded during the war, during which no Ukrainian citizen was injured. As a result, it turned out that there was only a Shahed drone attack. Two of these weapons were shot down over Kiev. The mayor of Kiev revealed data on the use of Shahed weapons. Since the beginning of the war, these kamikaze drones and their attacks in the Ukrainian capital have claimed 160 lives. Of course, there's fierce fighting going on around Bakhmut, and this is the only place along the entire length of the front where this intensity of hostilities continues. The Russians still fail to break through the line of defense of the Ukrainian army, both in the eastern but also on the northern and southern flanks of these Ukrainian fortifications.
Tak i we wschodniej, ale również na północnym i południowym skrzydle tych fortyfikacji ukraińskich. Prezydent Zełenski oraz szef sztabu generalnego.
President Zelensky and the chief of the general staff expressed gratitude and appreciation to all Ukrainian women who, in the conditions of war, struggle with the hardships of everyday life, but especially those 40,000 women working in the armed forces, and especially those 5,000 women who serve in uniforms on the front line. Of course, the participation of the Minister of Defense, Reznikov, in the Conference of European Union Defense Ministers was highlighted here, if only because of his appeals for the fastest possible delivery of 1,155 caliber rounds and such a very loud call for the fastest possible deliveries of Leopard tanks and armored personnel carriers. Only the possession of these weapons will enable Ukraine to conduct a spring offensive. It is known that an offensive is being prepared.